Signing in to Amazon Prime Video on your TV can be fast and easy. We'll cover how to quickly access your account using a code or the Prime Video app, no matter what kind of TV you have. Prime Video boasts over 200 million subscribers, so let's get you watching. Method 1 uses the Amazon.com/code method, which works on almost any TV with the Prime Video app installed. First, open the Prime Video app on your TV and select the Sign In option. A unique 6-digit code will appear on your TV screen. Using a smartphone or computer, navigate to Amazon.com/code in a web browser. Enter the 6-digit code displayed on your TV into the website. This securely links your Amazon account to the TV. Once entered, your account is linked. Remember, the code expires after 5 minutes for security, so complete the process quickly. For even faster access, use the Prime Video app on your phone or tablet. Some smart TVs support one-tap linking via QR code. You must be logged into the Prime Video app on your phone first. First, launch the Prime Video app on your phone or tablet. Next, on your smart TV, navigate to Prime Video and select the login option. A QR code will appear on the TV screen. Use your phone's camera or the Prime Video app to scan the QR code on the TV screen. Point your phone at the TV screen to capture it. The QR code links your phone account to the TV instantly. You're now signed in and ready to stream. Amazon One offers biometric login for Amazon Prime Video on newer compatible smart TVs. This feature uses facial recognition or fingerprint scanning for quick and seamless sign-in. To set it up, follow the on-screen prompts on your smart TV. You'll need to create a biometric profile, which may involve scanning your face or fingerprint. Once configured, sign in with just a glance or touch. This method is very seamless and quick, making login effortless. If you're having trouble signing into Prime Video on your TV, here are the most common issues and how to fix them. First, make sure both your TV's firmware and the Prime Video app are up to date. Outdated software is a common cause of login problems. If the login code isn't working, verify you're using the correct URL, Amazon.com/code, and entering the exact 6-digit code from your TV screen without spaces or extra characters. For connectivity issues, ensure your TV is connected to a stable internet network. Weak or intermittent connections can interrupt the login process. If none of these solutions work, reach out to Amazon's customer support team. They can help troubleshoot specific device or account issues. Protect your Amazon Prime Video account with these essential security tips. First, enable two-factor authentication in your Amazon account settings. This requires a second verification step, in addition to your password. Choose from several 2FA methods. SMS sends a code to your phone, email sends verification to your inbox, and authenticator apps generate codes without needing internet access. Be cautious of phishing scams. Criminals send fake emails or create fraudulent websites that look like Amazon to steal your login credentials. Never enter your Amazon password on suspicious websites. Always verify the URL is Amazon.com and look for the secure padlock icon before logging in. By enabling two-factor authentication and staying alert to phishing threats, you can significantly enhance the security of your Prime Video logins. Voice commands provide quicker access to Prime Video on compatible TVs. If your TV supports Alexa, simply say, "Alexa, sign into Prime Video" to bypass manual inputs. Google Assistant users can also employ voice commands for hands-free login on supported devices. This voice-activated trend grew 25% in 2025, providing faster and more convenient access to Prime Video. Looking ahead, Amazon Prime Video logins will become even more seamless and user-friendly. Amazon is investing heavily in artificial intelligence to automatically detect and fix login problems, making the process smoother for users. Biometric authentication methods like facial recognition and fingerprint scanning are rapidly gaining popularity, offering secure and convenient access without traditional passwords. Various passwordless methods are emerging, including SMS verification, email links, one-time codes, and push notifications through mobile apps. Looking further ahead, Prime Video may integrate with metaverse platforms, allowing users to access content through virtual reality environments and immersive digital spaces. By 2030, industry experts forecast that 80% of streaming logins will rely on biometric or voice-based methods, moving us toward a truly passwordless future.